We got watermelon, like watermelon.
Question one with so many of the players, and obviously it touched everyone in this Rams organization.
Yeah, and I'll just say this: we've been through
Wow.
a few hurricanes in Florida over the past few years.
This watermelon's pretty
Easy
good.
to draw attention to it and get
So much better than I
donations now,
thought. I think I'm gonna get at a 7 to 6. Mango, we go. I believe one more. Let's see for a 6. See about an 8. 8, 9. Also, it's really cold as well. Finally made it to the end, and we got strawberry. The very last drink in the Fiesta pack, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go right forward. Ooh. If I start tearing up, it's pretty good. Yeah, I kind of expect the strawberry to be a little bit better, to be honest, but it's pretty good still anyway, you know. Probably a 6. I don't believe I've given any of them a 6, but I think my winner is most definitely, I think lime or mango. Fruit punch is up there too. There's about 3 or 4 or 5 of them. They're about the same range, I would say, but lime is top notch. Top notch. But yeah, strawberries pretty good.